Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a company page on LinkedIn. So if you want to create a company page on LinkedIn and you want to work like a company or you want professional behavior, in this way you guys must have to create a company page on LinkedIn. So for that you have to just simply open up the LinkedIn on any of your browser. So I have already opened it, so I am just opening it. So after opening up the LinkedIn, make sure you have connected with real account. So after connecting it with your real account, then you have to just simply go to this above section for business section. So after tapping on that, it will provide you such kind of interface. Here you have to just simply select the last option, which is create a company page. So you have to just simply click on it. So after clicking on that, now it will ask you for three reasons for that you are creating. So you have to just simply select the reason according to your need. I'm just selecting the company because I want to create a company page. So after that, you have to just simply fill your information like the name. So I'm just typing any of the name. So after putting your name, you have to just simply, it will automatically type the company account address, URL. So after that, you have to here again put your website name. So after putting your website, now you have to just simply click on the industry. After putting your industry, you have to just simply select the size of employees for your company. And here in the organization type, you have to just simply select your organization type. And here you have to simply put your company logo. So you have to just simply click on choose and select any of the logo of your company and add a tagline. So after adding the tagline, you have to simply click on I verify that I authorized representative of the organization and have a right to act on its behalf in the creation and management of this page. So after checking the mark, you have to just simply click on create page and your company page or company account on the LinkedIn has been created. So I hope this methods find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.